Hello guys, in this video I'll be talking about how to get physical dollar in Nigeria. So I will recommend you to use Binance to send USDT to this paxful account for easy trade and fast. You need to come to this wallet and use this receive, then use this USDT and use this Trump. You say TLC is cheaper, it's more cheaper. I don't think it's up to $1 for the transaction fee. So if you use this, you will be able to transfer money to this account cheaply. So after doing this, you will find a video description that talk about how to transfer money from Binance to paxful. So after doing this, you just need to come to this marketplace over here. After coming to this marketplace, you go with this option, sell. You press sell. After you transfer your USDT to this paxful account, then we just go with this option, trusted offer only. After pressing trusted offer only, you go with this option over here, then press worldwide. After pressing worldwide, you will need to press the currency you want to receive. Meanwhile, you remember you want to receive physical dollar in Nigeria, then you need to press this option, then you need to put US dollar over here. After putting US dollar, you need to go with this payment option, bank transfer. After putting bank transfer, you may input the amount. Let's say for instance you have $200 or $250 you want to sell. Then you press here. Then as you can see, it's good to buy from this guy over here. It's not online. Then there's one guy over here. It's $1. Then you are going to get $1. You say bank transfer. Then you need to press this. After pressing the guy, you will need to input your Nigeria domiciliary account. This when the domiciliary account comes in. If you know how domiciliary account in Nigeria works, you can deposit money in your domiciliary account and withdraw the dollar physical in bank. So that's what you will be doing. If you don't have domiciliary account in Nigeria, you can go to your bank and create this. It did not take a lot of time to create this domiciliary account. You can even create it on your phone. Make sure you do a lot of research before you take any step on this video. If you are getting value in this video, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. So after you go to your bank to create domiciliary account, you just press the amount you want to sell. You just press this 250. You say you pay 250 worth of USDT, then you will receive 200 USDT. So you are paying this, then you are receiving the same amount. Added one to your wallet to trade means the paxful is going to charge you $1.25. So after doing this, you just need to go to this, select my bank to receive this money. Then around that time, when you get your domiciliary account, then you're just going to input this over here. After you input this over here, you need to press sell. After pressing sell, before you release this coin to this buyer, you need to verify you have received the payment before you release the coin. And before you trade with this guy, you need to check his account, his profile. Then he has 303 possible free back. Then he has the ID is verified, the address is verified, the email is verified, phone number is verified. So this guy is good to trade with this guy. So this basically how you will be able to receive physical dollar in Nigeria. After this guy sent money into your account, then you confirm this that you have received this actual amount you are expecting from this guy. You can now go ahead to release this coin to this guy. Then you have to go to your bank, then receive this money physical. So you know what, you know the reason why you need the physical dollar. You know what you want to use this for. So then you can just use it for the purpose you want to use this for. So that's how basically you'll be able to get physical dollar in Nigeria without going through Nigeria bank to get this physical dollar. So if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like the video and turn on the notification bell. So I'm going to see you on the next video.